Hello everyone, start off by taking 2 sticks and then glue them together. Then using 2 sticks on all of the sides, make a frame out of it. Now add some sellotape all around the back as such, and afterwards add these clay at the back. Use green clay to start off with, then take colored clay, make small balls out of it, make a circular shape out of it, and then make flowers. Join it all together. Next, take a cup, cut off the thicker end of it, make 2 slits on either side of it. Now, after you made the slits, take any sort of sharp object and make a hole at the back, that is the base. Put a thread through it and then pull a thread through the side. Join both of them together as such. Now, at the back, add the fins and then add the hands on either side, add eyes at the top and then teeth at the back. Make it a dinosaur. Next, take a sheet of paper, fold it into half, make either side meet in the middle. Now make these arrowhead-like shapes, however, make them internal folds as such. Do this on both the sides, the top and the bottom. Now, taking the top portion of it, fold it downwards as such, and then taking the bottom portion, fold it upwards. Do this on either side. Now reverse the sheet of paper and make this diamond-like structure out of it. Now, fold it up into half, lift up some of the structures and fold it downwards as well to make the arms and the head accordingly. Next, take a sheet of paper, make multiple slits on one of the ends, use any sort of sharp object and then curve all of the edges as such. Add tape to one end of it and roll it over. Now afterwards, take this orange strip of paper, fold it up into a triangle, make this curved cut out of it, fold it open as such, add a yellow center to it and add these flowers all around. Once you have added the flowers all around, take this handle and add it to the top. Next, we'll start off by taking 2 pieces of clay as such, wrap it around and then afterwards add the clay at the top as well. Take these orange balls of clay and then add them all around. Add a white center to it, add a green stem to it as well and then add a stick as the base to make it stay. Take these marbles, add it into a container and then top it off with green clay. Now insert these sticks into it and there you have it. Next, in order to make this, start off by taking 2 green strips of paper, then arrange multiple diagonal and horizontal ones as well. Afterwards, stick it all at the top as well, and then take 2 strips of paper, fold it one on top of the other to make a spring-like structure. Stick this at the top. Now, make this frog's face, and then afterwards, once you have colored it in and added the details, cut it out and then add it onto the spring structure you've created. Now, add legs at the bottom. Next, start off by taking a red circular sheet of paper, take 2 of them, fold one over, add it at the back of the other circular sheet. Now take this white sheet of paper, fold it over into a semicircle, add this face at the top of it, afterwards make slits at the bottom, fold it over and then stick this at the top. Add arms and legs on either side and then afterwards add the Santa hat to it as well. Next, we'll start off by taking a cup. Afterwards, make this V-shape cut out of it and cut out the base of the cup as well. Once you have done this, then afterwards, take the scissors and then make multiple slits on the base of the cup. Once you are done with this, spread it out onto a flat surface. Then, add markings on the face. That is, make a face out of it, add eyes and a cute little smile to it. Next, take a strip of paper. Now, fold it up into half and then make an arrowhead-like shape out of one of the sides. Now, add these red sheets of paper, that is semicircular sheets of paper on either side. Add these yellow bits to it as well. Fold it up into half now and then cut off the rest of it. Afterwards, add eyes to the top and now add polka dots all around. After this, add leaves all around and spread it whenever you need to. Next, in order to make this, start off by taking a newspaper, take a small strip of it, fold over either side to make it meet in the center. Repeat this step. Open up one of the layers, make this arrowhead-like shape out of the bottom. Moving to the top, fold the top downwards and then afterwards fold in the sides. Now, fold it upwards and then downwards again and upwards. Afterwards, make the handle out of this, wrap some paper around this and then make it in the shape of the sword. Next, we'll start off by taking a white sheet of paper and then draw on the shape of a flower on it. Add the detailing to it as well. Now, cut it up, make sure that it is a double-layered sheet. Add a candy in the middle of it and then stick it all together. Thank you for watching.